Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Sumi School. This is Muhammad Ali Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I'm going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. So let's start. Our today's topic is write in numbers from it will be part 3. We'll learn today from 21 to 30 inshallah. In the previous class, that means in the previous two classes, in part 1 and part 2, we have learned from 1 to 20. That means today we'll learn inshallah from 21 to 30. Our lecture number is 3. You have a homework. Your homework number is also 3. And my dear students, your homework is same. This means that which is your CW I am doing on the board, that will be also your ASW. And you can contact with me in my phone number. This is my phone number is given here if you face any kind of problem in mathematics. Now the question is write in numbers from 21 to 30. The students, like the previous classes, will write down the numbers from left to right, from the top. Okay, our first number today is 21. 2 and 1 makes the number which is 21. So our first number is 21 will be in the first column, first row. It's 2 and 1, it will be 21. After 21, the number comes which is 22. We know that 2 and 2 makes the number 22. So in the right side of this 21, it will be fill up the number 22. We will not write down from top to bottom, we will write down from left to right in all ways, okay, in your question paper, in your answer paper also. It's 21, then it's 22. And dear students, in the previous class, I have shown you already the tens place and the ones place, the place value I am going to understand you. It's 21 we have write down in the first column, first row. How 21 comes? This means that 2 and a 1 makes the number 21. And in the basic is, this 1 in the right side is in ones place. This 1 is in ones place. And we indicate O as our ones place. So we should write down O here. If you write down, then it will be also be okay. No need to write down the mandatory here, okay? If you write down, then it will be better. Now, its 2 is in tens place. It is tens place. So, in tens place that we can identify as T. So, here we can write down T. This T means this 2 is in tens place and this O means this 1 is in ones place. This is not a 0. This is the letter O, okay? This means ones place. Like this way, you can write down all the numbers in tens place and the ones place. This is very important of why this 2 is not only the number 2. This 2 is in the place of tens. That's why this is 20. This 2 is in tens place. That's why this is 20. And this is 1 because this is in the ones place. This is 21. Like this way, we'll write down all the numbers today. Okay. So it's 21. 2 is in tens place. 1 is in ones place. So makes 21. This here is 2 is in tens place and this second 2 is in ones place. So tens place 2 and ones place 2 makes 22. We'll say this one as 2 tens and 2 ones makes the number 22, or easily we can tell 2 and a 2 makes the number 22. Like this way I'm going to tell you, okay? This will be easy. Now the next number of 22 is 23, and 2 and a 3 makes the number 23. Like this way you should write down all the numbers. Its next number of 23 is 24. How 24 comes? 2 and a 4 makes the number 24. The students, it's 2 and a 4 makes the number 24. After 24, the number comes which is 25. 2 and a 5 makes the number 25. 2 and a 5 makes the number 25. After 25, the number comes which is 26. And there is no space, there is no blank box in the right side. So you should come to the next row, first column. 26 we should be written down in the first here, first column, second row. It's 2 and a 6 makes the number 26. After 26, the number comes which is 27. We know that 2 and a 7 make the number 27. It's 2 and 7 makes the number 27. Like this way, the next number of 27 is 28. 2 and a 8 makes the number 28. 2 and a 8 makes the number 28. After 28, the number comes which is 29. 2 and a 9 makes the number 29. 2 and a 9 makes the number 29. And the last number, today's last number is 30. 3 and a 0 makes the number 30. 3 and a 0 makes the number 30, dear students. Now I am going to repeat all the numbers. The first number is 21. 2 and a 1 makes the number 21. Then it's 2 and a 2 makes the number 22. After that 23, the number 2 and a 3 makes the number 23. After that we have 24. 2 and a 4 makes the number 24. The next number of 24 is 25. 25 makes the number 25. Then next number of 25 is 26. 2 and a 6 makes the number 26. Next one is 27. 2 and a 7 makes the number 27. The next number is 28. 2 and a 8 makes the number 28. After 28, the number comes which is 29. It's 2 and a 9. It's 29. And the last number, that means the next number of 29 is 30. And 3 and a 0 makes the number 30. Dear students, this is also your HW. So you must write down in the left top corner of your copy HW. And also you should write down the date here in the right up corner. You must write down the date, in which date you are going to write down on a copy. Write down this one nicely on a CW copy, in your HW copy nicely, and you can submit the HWs in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.